Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new Enhance and Glow Beauty Box from NYX Beauty. This beauty box is described as a little box of tricks to help achieve maximum results with minimum effort. Enhance and Glow Beauty Box is retailed for £15 and worth over £48. Okay guys, let's discover the beauty treats which are hidden inside. First we find a product from the brand Legology, Air Light Daily Lift for Legs Contouring Leg Cream. Is a contouring and lightening cream that delivers deep drainage benefits to reduce the tightness and puffiness caused by fluid retention, dissolve pains and fatigue, rejuvenate and energize from the toes up. The second product from the beauty box is from the brand Clarins Hand and Nail Treatment Cream, softens hand, strengthens nails. A moisturizing and fortifying cream which protects against chapping and irritation. It promotes soft, supple hands, long-lasting comfort, and also strengthens nails. I love this hand cream from Clarins. It's very nourishing with my dry hand skin. It smells lovely, not too strong, and it has a nice formula which is absorbing fast into the skin. Only good things about this hand cream. Product number 3 is from the brand Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum. Prevent and address key visible signs of aging by strengthening your skin. This anti-aging serum also dramatically improves visible signs of aging, reducing the looking of fine lines and wrinkles, while improving texture, tone and radiance. Product number 4 is from the brand Murad, is a face cream, intense recovery cream, clinically proven, comforting cream for face and eyes, reduces the visible signs of stress, aging and redness. Product number 5 is from the brand Herborian, the CC Cream, High Definition, Radiance, Face Cream, Skin Perfector with SPF 25. This CC Cream is the first high definition radiance skincare enriched with CC pigments, the new generation color controlling pigments that self-adjust to your natural luminous beauty. Your skin is luminous, radiant and more perfect. This CC cream helps to boost radiance, protects and hydrates, also camouflage dehydration, fine lines and refine the appearance of skin's texture. I had this CC cream from Herborian and I like it. It's applying easy, it has a good coverage and a beautiful natural dewy finish. The last product from the beauty box is a travel size mascara from Benefit. They are real lengthening mascara. This mascara will lengthens, curls, volumizes, lifts and separates the lashes. The long wearing formula won't smudge or dry out. A specially designed brush reveals lashes you never knew you had. Well guys, you know my opinion about Benefit mascaras. They are good, but in my case during the day it transfers under the eyes. Okay beautiful people, we unboxed the Enhance and Glow Beauty Box from NYX Beauty. This mini box didn't contain any full-size product and this is a bit disappointing. Above the products that we found, I am delighted with the Clarins Hand and Nails Cream, with the Bare Minerals Face Serum, with the Herborian CC Cream and with the Murad Face Cream. What is your favorite products from this beauty box? Let me know in the comment section below this video. And this was everything for today. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!